Ever wondered why some gardens seem to burst with life while others struggle no matter how much fertilizer you add? Here's the secret most modern gardeners miss. The key isn't feeding your plants, it's feeding your soil. A century-old Asian farming trick, long kept quiet, is now turning heads worldwide because it transforms dead soil into a living ecosystem teeming with microbes, nutrients, and vitality, all using nothing but rice water, milk, and molasses. This simple fermented tonic has been powering crop growth for over 100 years, outpacing even modern chemical fertilizers. Today on Crop Corner, we'll dive deep into this ancient bioactivator, how to make it, how to use it, and why it might just be the most powerful natural growth booster your soil will ever meet. This isn't just another organic hack. The secret behind this 100-year-old soil trick lies in fermentation, the same biological process used in making yogurt or kombucha. When rice water, milk, and molasses are fermented together, they awaken an army of beneficial microbes that bring dead soil back to life. These microbes don't just add nutrients, they unlock the ones already trapped in your soil, making them available to your plants. They also suppress harmful pathogens, stimulate explosive root growth, and improve soil structure. Unlike chemical fertilizers that burn bright and fade fast, this natural tonic rebuilds your soil from the ground up. It nourishes the microbial network, the living foundation that sustains healthy plants. Think of it as restoring balance to the underground ecosystem, creating a soil environment that feeds itself and your crops long-term. Now, let's get into the precise recipe, the real heart of this traditional soil booster. You'll need just 4 ingredients: rice water, milk, molasses or brown sugar, and non-chlorinated water for dilution. Here's the golden ratio: 5 parts rice water, 1 part molasses, 4 parts milk. That means for every 1 part of your fermented tonic, add 100 parts of clean non-chlorinated water. To start, rinse your uncooked rice once and save that first cloudy water. It's rich in starch and beneficial microbes. Measure 500 milliliters of this rice water and pour it into a clean glass jar. Next, add 100 milliliters of molasses. This acts as the microbe food, helping them multiply fast. Then pour in 400 milliliters of milk, ideally raw or unpasteurized if you can find it. Milk introduces lactic acid bacteria, one of the most powerful agents for restoring soil health. Step 1. Ferment the rice water. Pour your rice water into a glass jar and cover it with a breathable cloth or loose lid. Let it rest in a cool, dark place for 3 to 5 days. You'll know it's ready when a light white film forms on the surface. That's your beneficial bacteria multiplying and preparing to work their magic. Step 2. Add the milk. Strain your fermented rice water to remove any sediment or impurities. Then mix it with milk at a ratio of 1 part rice water to 10 parts milk. That golden liquid is the lactic acid bacteria serum, the active essence of your soil tonic. Step 3. Feed it with molasses. Strain out the curds and pour the yellow liquid into another clean container. Add molasses in a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning equal parts, to stabilize the microbes and extend the shelf life. Stir until it's fully dissolved and seal it tightly. Here's where the transformation begins. You never apply the concentrate directly. It's far too potent. Always dilute before use. For small gardens around 10 square feet, mix 50 milliliters of the brew with 5 liters of clean, non-chlorinated water. Once diluted, pour it gently around the base of your plants every 2 weeks. The living microbes will immediately get to work, breaking down organic matter, feeding roots, and improving soil structure. Within days, you'll notice deeper green leaves, stronger stems, and accelerated root growth. You can use this ancient brew in several powerful ways beyond just soil feeding. As a compost accelerator, mix 200 milliliters of the concentrate with 10 liters of water and spray it over your compost pile. It speeds up decomposition and enhances the nutrient value of your compost dramatically. As a foliar spray, dilute it even further. 1 part concentrate to 500 parts water, that's about 20 milliliters per 10 liters. Spray lightly over plant leaves early in the morning or late evening. And if you're starting from seed, soak your seeds in a 1 to 500 dilution for 2 to 3 hours before planting. The brilliance of this natural soil tonic lies in how it rebuilds life at the microbial level. When rice water ferments, it cultivates indigenous microorganisms that are, perfectly adapted to your local environment. As these microbes multiply, they unlock nutrients that were previously locked away in your soil, transforming them into plant-available forms. What makes this method so powerful isn't just the growth you'll see above the ground, it's what's happening beneath it. You're cultivating an entire underground city of beneficial bacteria and fungi that continuously work to nourish your plants day and night. There you have it, the century-old Asian soil secret that turns weak, lifeless dirt into a thriving ecosystem. No chemicals, no expensive fertilizers, just the power of fermentation and a few simple kitchen ingredients. Whether you're tending to a small home garden or a larger crop field, this natural soil brew can honestly change everything.